Hi, this is Shankar Sharma. In this video, we're going to talk about Chipotle's earnings and also the targets, etc. So let's jump in and take a look at Chipotle. Welcome back. So here is Chipotle Mexican Grill. We just want to look at the EPS. The EPS, if you look at the EPS numbers for the recent quarter, the EPS are better than expected, but revenue is a disappointment. If you look at the revenue, it missed expectations. So that is not a good sign. And if you look at the statements, if you look at the income statement, you can see it's got good total revenue. Operating income is very high. Overall, it's looking good. Net income is positive and increasing. Fundamentally, the company is looking very, very strong. EBITDA is also good. So fundamentally, stock is good. Now let's go check balance sheet. If you look at the balance sheet, the assets are higher than liabilities, which is excellent. Net debt is normal, but assets which are higher than the liabilities is the key. If you look at the cash flow is all looking okay. Let's go and check all other things. We see the revenues coming from food and beverages, delivery services. And if you look at the country-wise, United States is its primary place where it operates. We look at the valuation numbers. The P ratio is very high, may not be ideal for a value investor. If you can look at debt to assets ratio, they are low, and debt to equity ratios. So value, these two aspects from value point of view, that is looking good, but a PE point of view is a little bit on the high side. So overall, by looking at this, the summary is that Chipotle missed revenue, beat on earnings, PE ratio is on the high side, whereas the debt to equity looks good. So let's jump in and take a look at the chart. If you go and take a look at the chart, you can see based on the rising wedge, the future target of Chipotle is going to be around $51 range, probably around there. So at the moment, the bias is to the downside, and it might even go lower. And if it breaks that 51, the next two levels are going to be somewhere here. So it may come into this range of 46 to 48 if it breaks below 51. So overall, Chipotle is looking weak, and the attraction for the price is to the downside. Possible targets 51, and if it goes below that, 46 to 47 is next area where it might stop. So hopefully that is useful. And value analysis people may not be preferring Chipotle at the moment, may not be their top choice. At fundamental analysis, people will probably like it. But if you're a trader or momentum investor, you can see the stock is heading to the downside. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and leave a positive comment. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. This is not a buy or sell recommendation. Shankar Sharma signing off.